Yo, what up, what up, what up? It's your average sneaker guy, but the average don't stand for average. Poppy Joy, SPDX, whatever platform y'all follow me on, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch. It's your boy back with another video. But this time I want to give y'all an update of what I've been doing last night. I stayed up all night rearranging my man cage. And I finally got some organization in here. It finally looking how I almost want it. So I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of what I've been doing all night long, and I'm tired. I finally got the PS5. I hooked that up, stayed up all night, rearranging that, hooking that up, and I'm finna show y'all a little sneak peek of what's to come in my man cage, man. We got a little station over there for little shoes, but this is gonna change. They're gonna change. Here come my battle station. I call this the battle station where everything get going, where I do my thing. Where Papa Jordan go to work. You see the new PS5. Ooh, I was finally able to get one. But yeah, this is my battle station right here. For those that y'all follow me on Facebook and on Twitch, y'all know I be live over there. Here come a little 65-inch TV. And I'm gonna put my old PS4 Pro. I'm gonna use that. It's my couch right here. I'm gonna use this for that. For when I just want to chill and play. This is what I'm gonna do on my backdrop for my YouTube. But all this gonna change too. That's gonna be totally changed. As you can see that box right here. I got some IKEA wall shelf that finna go up over on this spot. So all this gonna be changed. It's gonna be a little wall shelf with my sneakers. Might keep a couple of boxes and everything. And yes, there are still shoes inside of all these boxes. I wanted to go get some more of those shoe containers, but man, that costs a lot of money. So I went with, like I said, the IKEA wall shelf. So maybe I can clear some of these boxes out. And I just made me a new station right here. And where I would do my editing. This little station, this right here where I'm gonna do my video editing with my iPad and all that. You can see it got a little detail. And I got something going up on this wall. I don't know yet, but yeah, man, this is my man cave right now. My battle station. And if I want to get some hoops in, I got some little hoops section. But yeah, just want to give y'all a little update of what I've been doing. Stayed up all night trying to rearrange this. Stayed up all night trying to get my PS5 going and whatnot. But yeah, when I finish, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. But I'm your average sneaker guy, PDX, Papa Jordan, whatever you want to call me. It's your boy, but the average don't stand for average. And I just wanted to give y'all a little update and whatnot. I'm finna go grab me something to eat. I was supposed to be hooping too today, sometime around 1, 2 o'clock. I might go play some ball, but in the meantime, I'm your average sneaker guy, but the average don't stand for average, baby. Make sure y'all smash that like button, sub up, and come join your PDX Nation. Come join your average sneaker guy nation. And just leave a comment. Tell me what y'all doing today, man. Like I said, I'm going to hoop, and then I'm going to see what this PS5 is about and whatnot. And they're going to be pretty much just a laid back day. I got to, like I said, I'm also going to, got to take down these boxes, try to put up some of the shelves and whatnot. But in the meantime, I'm out, y'all. I got to go get something to eat.